Children, in this video we'll do selection sort, another technique for performing sorting in an 1D array. Okay, we have done bubble sort, now selection sort. Sorting is process of arranging data in a specified order. Okay, you can arrange the data in ascending order or as well as you can arrange the data in descending order also as per your program's requirement. Okay. Selection sort is implemented in the form of exchange selection sort that requires a 1D array, single array to work with. Okay, and in this technique in selection sort, computer keeps on finding the next smallest element, the smallest of all for the very first time, okay, and brings it at its appropriate position. Okay, the smallest element will be found and this will bring to its appropriate position. Okay, now suppose you have this set of data in an 1D array. Numbers are 44, 97, 49, 56, 89, 27, 15 and 77. Now suppose you have to sort this array. Fine. This one is at 0th index, first, second, third, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Fine. In the first step, what will happen? The smallest will be selected. You will find the smallest element, that is 15 in this array, in this case. Okay, and that will be, okay, you will be selecting the smallest element through iteration. We will be using loop and all in the programming. Okay, we will be using the logic how to find the smallest, and after finding the smallest, this number will be interchanged with the number at the position 0. Okay, this number, whichever number is smallest, we'll find that and we will interchange that with the very first element, 0th element. Okay, now in the second pass, in the second step, what will happen? We will, from the next element, we will start finding the next smallest element. Okay, at 0th position we have the smallest element. Okay, so from the next position we will start finding the next second smallest element, and again we will interchange 27. We will find this as a smallest, second smallest, then we will interchange this element with the beginning, and we are beginning with this element this time. Okay, so we will interchange the second smallest element with first position. Okay, the most smallest we have got. Now we have to find the second smallest. So after finding the second smallest, we will interchange with that with first position element. Okay, we will interchange that. In the third step, we will start with +1. We will find the third smallest, we will interchange with position 2. Okay, in the next step, again we will find the fourth smallest element and we will interchange that with this one position. Again, next smallest will interchange with the fourth position. Okay, and in this round, in 6th, we will find the next smallest, we will interchange similarly, and at the last we will be finding this and we will be interchanging that. Okay, so this way we will be finding, using the iterative statement, we will be finding the smallest elements and we will be interchanging that with the appropriate position. Okay.